This next application is called mounting to a substrate. So the first thing we'll do is we'll get rid of our print hold down bar, loosen the screws up on the side, pull that out. We'll set it down here on our blanket. Then I'll take a piece of substrate the same thickness as what we're going to be mounting to. I'll run the roller down till I feel it touch, and then I'll give it a little extra pressure. Then put the machine in reverse and back that out with the foot pedal. Go back to forward on the control panel, and now we're set for our gap and pressure for this substrate. So we'll take our cut sheet that's already decaled. This has an over laminate on top, and it's an adhesive back vinyl. So I'll take the corner here and I'll peel back that liner, get it started, and I'll peel it back about 1.5 inches to 2 inches. Once I get that separated, then I'm going to crease it. So I'll bring it over like about here, and then I'll just do a nice little crease. Then I'll flip it over, and that gives me something to balance that. You'll notice it's holding it up for me till I can get it centered on the board. Bring it up to the edge like this. Bring it there, tack it in the center, go out to the two sides like this, and now I'm ready to go to the machine. So I take my rigid substrate, I'll come over and I push it into the center of the machine in between those two rollers. I'm going to bring my print over and let it rest on that top roller. And this will help me when I get started. I can keep this nice and flat, and I'm going to pull this liner as it goes through. I'm going to leave it really close so that I don't allow the print to flop, and I'm not allowing the paper liner to come way up and expose it to dirt or anything like that. So once I get it up there, I'll go ahead and start it in with my foot pedal. And as it goes through, I'm going to keep my hand right there. Keep that print nice and tight. And I'm just pulling back on that liner, keeping it right there. I don't want that liner to get pulled in the machine because then that could ruin the print. Once it gets really close, I'll go ahead and release and pull it through. After it clears, you'll hear the rollers open up, and there's your finished product.